This video will show you how to replace the kick lock. You will need a pipe wrench, a 2mm Allen key, and an anti-theft Torx key T25, which is supplied with the new kick lock. Hold the cap of the kick lock with a 2mm Allen key, then lock the kick lock. Hold the pin with a pipe wrench and unscrew the cap anti-clockwise using a 2mm Allen key. Remove the 2 bolts from the kick lock module using anti-theft Torx key T25. Remove the kick lock module and gently pull the cable out of the frame. Then unplug the connector. Insert the kick lock pin if it's not already inserted and connect the new kick lock module. Unlock your bike and wait for the timer. Then push the kick lock out. Your bike should then unlock. Then relock the kick lock. If your bike does not unlock, please contact customer support. Reinsert the cable into the frame. Insert the new kick lock module. Reinsert the 2 bolts, then lightly tighten using anti-theft Torx key T25. Hold the pin and screw the cap on by hand. Then firmly tighten using the pipe wrench and a 2mm Allen key. For more help, head to support.vanmoof.com.